Welcome back, guys. This is Alcoholic Endeavors, and today we are going to be making the Dwarven Float. I don't remember this Irish cream. I really don't. I thought this was the Ryan's Irish cream. Shows you what I know. Anyways, you need Irish cream and root beer. Pretty easy, pretty simple shit. Basically, you put ice in a glass, fill it up with the root beer you want. The video I saw, which is on TikTok, and I'll leave a link down in the description below of where to find this TikTok, because why not? I don't think you filled it up that high. I think it was half and half. And Irish cream, but I'm not going to go half and half. I'm going to go like that much, maybe. Maybe this is fine. I'm going to go ahead and stir her up. And take a sip. Oh my god, this is delightful. It weirdly tastes like a chocolate milk. This is just Irish cream, right? Yeah, this is just Irish cream. It's like a very light tasting of chocolate milk, but that's kind of what it tastes like. Like, you still get the first sip, like when you first take a sip of it, it tastes mostly like root beer and a little bit of Irish cream, but like the aftertaste is like a very cold, almost like a cold chocolate milkshake. Wow. I want to add more Irish cream to this to see if it tastes any better, but I think this is really good. You know what, fuck it. It's fine. I'm just gonna add a little bit more, not too much more, though, because I already drank quite a bit out of this. My god, this is delicious. Might have added a little too much Irish cream, but however, this is fucking delicious. Congrats to whoever figured this out. It's such a simple recipe. My god. Like, it does have an aftertaste of chocolate milk almost. I kind of want to say it's like a McDonald's chocolate shake almost flavor, in a really weird way with the aftertaste mostly. But like I said, the first second of sipping this, you taste the root beer. Immediately, it's the root beer. And then right after, it's the Irish cream, and it's just, afterwards, it's all Irish cream, and it tastes like basically a chocolate milk. Thank you, Turtle. This is the greatest fucking recipe you have ever given me. I'm gonna drink this a lot more. This is delicious. Alright. Thanks for watching. Hope to see you guys all next time. Bye!
If you like that, go check out my other videos. We now have a Discord link down in the description. If any of you guys have a drink or shot recipe, leave it down in the comment section below. Give me a like, comment, subscribe, and I hope to see you all next time.